A very good afternoon, class 7. Today we will continue with our exercise of chapter 14.3. In this exercise, you will study about the more laws of exponents, right? Some laws of exponents we have discussed in exercise 14.2, which is about when the base is same. When the base is same, what we do with the powers, like a to the power m and a to the power n. If we multiply both these, then powers base will remain same and powers will get added, right? When we divide both these, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then these powers get subtracted, like a to the power m minus n. In this I told you one condition also, and that condition is only if when the value of m is greater than the value of n, right? After this we have discussed one more, that is, if the power of any number 0, then it is equal to 1, and the power of any number or any base 1, a to the power 1, then it is equal to the number. Clear about this? These laws we have discussed in exercise 14.2. Now come to 14.3, some more laws. But in these laws, the difference is that powers same, the base will change. Like powers same with different base. Right? Like a to the power m multiply b to the power m. Power same, as I told you, a to the power m multiply b to the power m. So here what? It is equal to the product of a and b the power m. Power will remain the same. Like one question, that 2 to the power 4 multiply with 3 the power 4. So same, the product of these bases 2 multiply 3, it is equals to 6. Power will remain the same, power 4. Right? So when the power is same and base is different, so at that time what you will do? Power will remain the same and we will multiply the base. Like here 2 3s are 6, power is 4. Clear this one? Now come to in the case of division. Like same, power is same and base is different. So there we will divide a by b and power will remain the same. For this example is, if 5 to the power 4 divide by 3 the power 4. For this, how you will write? Result of this is 5 by 3 to the power 4. Right? 5 by 3 to the power 4. Once again, see here, if 2 to the power 2 divide by, here you will take 4. 4 the power 2 divide by 2 the power 2. Power will remain the same, bases are different. So in this case, 4 divided by 2 the power 2. It can be cut. 4 can be divided by 2. So your answer is 2 the power 2, which is equals to 4. But you have to write in the form of powers. Right, in the form of expression. So this is 2 the power 2. Clear these? This is the first law. This one is second. Now come to the third law, that is same like this. If the power of any base is 0, then it is equals to 1. Right? Any number raised to the power 0 is 1, where if it is like this 0 degree, then it is not defined. Clear? After this, see these abouts, like area we are measured in square units, volume we are measuring in cubic meters. So for this we will use these laws. Clear all of you? Now come to our exercise 14.3. The first question is simplify these expressions using laws of exponents and write the answer as a single exponent. So the first question of K1 is 6 multiply 6. 6 multiply 6. So here see, base is same. In this exercise, don't think that only these laws are followed. We can follow this one also. But here we have to check first that whether the base is same or the powers are same. In this condition, if no power, it means there is 1. And base is 6, 6. Base is same. So your answer is 6 to the power 2. When the base is same, we will add the powers, right? So students, only on these laws, don't do exercise 14.3 because this is the combination of both the laws. This one when base is same and this one when the powers are same, right? Now come to B part. 3 the power 3 multiply 3 the power 3. Now here base is also same and powers are also same. So for this we will apply the first one, that is when the base is same, powers are add. 3 the power 3 plus 3, it is equals to 3 the power 6. Right? Why I have done? Because if you will multiply it, 3 3s are 9. The power 3. Right? This answer is also correct and this one is also correct. Indirectly you will see 3 3s are 9. Pairing of 3. यहाँ पर भी आपकी पावर हाफ हो जाएगी अगर आप 3 की पेयरिंग करोगे, which done here. So in this question, when base is same and power is also same, you can apply both the method. Your answer will be correct. After this, come to the C part, that is 4 the power 5 multiply with minus 4 the power 5. So here see, number are different. This is positive 4 and this is negative 4. So for this we will use this formula. 4 multiply with minus 4 and powers will remain the same as it is. Right? And answer of this is 4 4s are 16. Minus sign will remain same because power is of odd number. जो पावर है बच्चे वो किस में है? odd numbers में. If this power is in even number, then this minus sign will remove, but now the power is in odd, so minus sign will remain same. Minus 16 to the power 5. What will come here? Minus 16 the power 5. Clear? Now come to the D part, that is minus 6 the power 6 multiply with 2 the power 6. In this also, see here, the powers are same but the base is different. So it is minus 6 multiply 2 the power 6. 6 2s are 12. Here you can write 12 as it is. No need to write minus sign. Reason is simple बच्चे, exponent, power or degree. This is 6, which is a even number. Right? This I told you in exercise 14.2 also. If you have not understand here, firstly you will watch that exercise. Then you can understand what happened with this negative sign. Now the E part, that is minus 5 the power 3 multiply minus 4 the power 3. Now is it same? It is same. Again the powers are same, base is different. Right? So it is minus 5 multiply with minus 4. Powers will remain same, 3. 5 4s are 20 the power 3. Now here negative sign remove. Reason, because both these number have the negative sign. Right? So this is your key 1. Now come to K2, that is simplify these expressions using laws of exponents and write the answer as a single exponent. This we have done with multiplication. Now in the K2 we will use the laws of which are of division. Right? Like A part, 2 the power 5 divide by 3 the power 5. Base is different. So how we will write it? Like this. A by B the power m. 2 by 3 the power 5. It is very easy of division. B. 3 the power 3 divide by 4 the power 3. Base is different. 3 by 4 the power 3. Right? Now C part, 4 the power 5 divide by 7 the power 5. So same we will apply. 4 divided by 7 and power will remain the same, that is 5. Clear students? Now come to D part, minus 6 the power 6 minus 6 the power 6 divide by 2 the power 6. Again same, minus 6 by 2 the power 6. See, this 6 can be divisible by 2 and your answer is minus 3 the power 6. Okay, here you can write this one also, 3 the power 6, because power is in even number. E part you will do yourself, and that is minus 2 the power 5 divide by minus 5 the power 5. Clear? Now come to the key 3, that is simplify these expressions using laws of exponents. Again this is the mixture of division and multiplication laws. So now see how you will do this. K3, that is A part, 2 the power 5 multiply 2 the power minus 5. Base is same. So what happened with the powers? Power will be added 2. 5 plus, this is minus 5. So see, one is of positive, one is of negative. It gets 0. To the power 0, which is equals to 1. I hope this question is clear to everyone. 5 minus 5, it is equals to 0. So this is equals to the power 0 equals to 1. Now come to the B part, that is 3 the power 0 by 1. So when we know if there is any power is 0, any number is raised to the power 0, then it is equal to 1. Here you will write in bracket also 3 to the power 0 equals to 1. And when 1 divided by 1, it is equals to 1. Clear? Now, the C part. 2 the power 0 plus 3 the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0. Again we know if any number is in the power of 0, then it will be equals to 1. Right? If any number raised to the power 0, like this, 2 the power 0, 3 the power 0, then it is equals to 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. And this you have to remember, bache, any power raised to the 0, any number raised to the power 0, then it is equals to 1. Right? Now D part, that is 7 to the power 8 divide by 7 the power 8. So see, here base is 7 and powers are also same. It means your answer will be equals to 1. Right? Base is same, powers are also same. So it is easily divisible and your answer is 1. What? Your answer is equals to 1. Now E part. 5 to the power 2 multiply 5 the power 0. Base is same, powers will be added, 2 plus 0. So it is equals to 5 to the power 2. Right? You can take one more with this, one more method, that is 5 to the power 2 multiply. We know when power of any number is 0, then it is equals to 1. And when we multiply any number with 1, the product of that is the same number. Clear? See students, in maths there are so many methods to do one question, but answer will be same with the every method. That you have to remember which method you will apply on the question and which is suitable for that. Now, K1, K2, K3 we have done. Come to the S1. Simplify the expressions using law of exponents. So this is big bracket, then small one, 4 the power 6 multiply 6 to the power 6 multiply 3 the power 6. Bracket close, divide by 3 the power 5 multiply with 2 the power 5 multiply with 12 the power 5. Right? So now see, here powers are 6, 6, 6. Same. This we can write like 4 multiply 6 multiply 3 the power 6. Right? Divide by, here power is also same, 3 multiply 2 multiply 12 the power 5. Clear students? Now, base is also different, powers are also different. how you will do that. So see, we know a to the power something divide by b to the power something. How we will write it? A by b to the power, that is, if it is separate then you will write separately. Now write this in the form of that. 4 to the power 6, firstly again we will expand it, 6 to the power 6 and 3 the power 6 by 3 the power 5 multiply 2 the power 5, again multiply 12 to the power 5. Clear? Now see, 3 the power 5 and 3 to the power 6, it is equals to 1 multiply as it is. Okay, so this will be 3, and how it comes you know. Now see here, 4 6 are 24, 24 to the power 6. Powers are same, base is different, so we will multiply the base and remain the power same. This here 3 cut, downside it is 5, upside 6, so 3 will remain upside. 2 to the power 5 and 12 the power 5. This is also same. Power are same, base is different, so again we will find the product of this, which is equals to 3 multiply 24 the power 6, 2 multiply with 12, 12 2s are 24 the power 5. Again it will cut, and here 124 will remain. 3 multiply 24, and which is equals to 72. Clear? Once again, see students, here powers is of every base, it is same. If you want like this, 6 4s are 24, 24 3s are 72. You can write direct also. Here I am telling you another method. By this also you can write 4 6 are 24, 24 3s are 70 to the power 6 divide by 3 2s are 6, 6 12 6 are 72 the power 5. So we can write it like this, and we know when base is same, powers are subtracted. So 72 will remain as it is, 6 minus 5, it is equals to 1. So 70 to the power 1. Clear? Your answer will be as it is. Now come to the next one, that is S2. Find the value of the a in this expression, that is a to the a minus 5 the power 2 multiply with 2 the power 2 and equals to 4 the power 2. Power is same, bases are different. So when multiply, we will remain the power as it is, and a minus 5 multiply with 2, that is 2a minus 5 2s are 10 power 2 as it is, again 4 to the power 2. Now either you will open it, open करके आप इसको सॉल्व कर लो, like we can write it minus 10 to the power 2 equals to 4 the power 2. Either you will forget the powers, this 10 will go this side, 2a minus 10 equals to 4. See, यहाँ से आपकी स्टेपिंग चेंज हो जाएगी. 2a equals to 4 plus 10 equals to 14. a equals to 14 by 2, that is equals to 7. Now after this, now we find the value. We will check this value by putting it in the same. Here we get the value of a equals to 7. Now 7 minus 5, 2. You can check by putting the values. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 the power 2 multiply with 2 the power 2. When powers are same, we will multiply the base. 2 multiply with 2 equals to 4. power will remain the same as we have studied in laws of exponent. Clear, students? Now come to S3, that is simplify this expression, that is big bracket, then small one, 5 to the power 2 by 4, the complete the power 2. Multiply with 2 the power 2 by 5. Again the power of complete is 2. As one print is given, that is not understandable. What is this? Okay. Maybe that misprint. If in your book it is proper visible, then you can solve with that powers. So firstly, this is the power of complete one, 5 to the power 2. We learn in exponent that a to the power m, the whole power n. How it expressed? A to the power m multiply n. Right? So here 5 to the power 2 and this 2 also. It can be 5 to the power 4. 2 multiply with 2, 4. Again 4 to the power 2. Because here that 2 will be on complete one and this 2 will be on only 5. Multiply to the power 2, 4 by 5. Maybe here 2, 3 something is there. So answer may be changed because in my book it is not proper visible what is given here. After that complete the power 2. Now this is 1, 4 and here is 4 to the power 2. 1 will cancel here and from here also this will be 5 to the power 3. See 5 to the power 4 divide by 5. We know when base is same, powers get subtracted. So 4 minus 1, 3. 5 to the power 3 divide by 4, the whole the power 2. Again 5 to the power 3 multiply with 2, 6 and 2 4 the power 2. Either you will write like this. This is also same. This is also right and this one is also right. Clear? And if in your book here any power is given with the whole, you will solve with that power. Clear that one? Now come to the next question, that is S4. Find the value of n in this expression. That is, expression is like this, minus n to the power square multiply with minus n to the power square equals to 625. So students, we can write this minus n to the power 2 multiply with minus n to the power 2 equals to, this can be the power of 25 the power 2. Right? It can be this. Right, because when we multiply 25 with 25, we will get 625. You can check, you can multiply. Now, after this, again we will come the laws of exponents. That is, when here power is also same and base is also same. Right? So, now we will go with this, that minus n. Base will remain the same. We will add the powers. 25 the square minus n to the power 4. We can write 5 to the power 4 because when we write 5 4 times, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Indirectly this has become the 25 square and 25 square it is equals to 625. Now the powers is also same. It means the value of the bases are also same, and the value of minus n is 5 or value of n is minus 5. Clear? You can go with the bases also, but यहाँ पे फिर आप इसको square करोगे, right? So to remove that, I will do like this. Now come to S5. By what number should 5 by 7 to the power 0 be multiplied to get the product 3 by 5 to the power 0, right? So we have to find that number. So firstly let the number equals to x, right? Multiply with this 5 by 7 to the power 0 multiply x to get the product equals to, and product it is equals to 3 by 5 to the power 0. So see, 5 by 7 the power 0 we can write it as 1 multiply with x, 3 by 5 to the power 0, which is also equals to 1, right? Now from here you can find the value of x. Clear? After this, x6, simplify the expression, and s7 both are same. You will do yourself, and if anyone have any problem in this exercise 14.3, you can comment and ask. After this, we will go with our next topic, that is simplification of expressions using laws of exponents, which is about your exercise 14.4. If anyone have any problem regarding this exercise, you can comment and ask.